Hello, viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to get all Wi-Fi passwords that is present in your system using Python. So let's go through this Python code line by line to understand what it does. This line imports the subprocess module, which allows you to run system commands from within a Python script. Here, a list called commands is created with a single command as a string. This command is used to retrieve a list of Wi-Fi profiles on a Windows system. This for loop iterates over the commands list. Inside the loop, the subprocess.run function is used to execute the command stored in the com variable. The capture_output equals true argument captures the command standard output, and .stout.decode, UTF-8, is used to decode the output as UTF-8 text. The result is stored in the Wi-Fi_list variable. Then, Wi-Fi_list is split into lines, and the resulting list of lines is stored in Wi-Fi_list_lines. A list called all_Wi-Fi_list is initialized as an empty list. Then, a for loop iterates over each line in Wi-Fi_list_lines. If a line contains the text all user profile, it is split using as a separator. The second part of the split line, index 1, is extracted and stripped of any leading or trailing whitespace. This cleaned profile name is then added to the all_Wi-Fi_list. This part of the code iterates over the Wi-Fi profile names stored in all_Wi-Fi_list. For each profile name, a command_list is created, which contains a command to retrieve the Wi-Fi profile's key, password, in clear text using the netshlan show profile command. Inside a nested for loop, this command is executed, and the output is captured and split into lines. Within the innermost loop, the code checks if a line contains key content. If it does, the line is split using as a separator, and the second part, index 1, is extracted and stripped of leading and trailing whitespace. Finally, it prints the Wi-Fi profile name and its associated password. If you found this explanation helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. So I will bring you more videos like this. Thanks for watching.